Guys, I went ahead and fixed that error, and the app is now up and running. And if everything is working nice for you, you're going to have something like this. Okay, so how do you fix it? Is not like, probably you're not going to have it. It's not something that's going to happen, but if it happens, you just have to come to the Android directory and open the app, and then open the build Gradle, and then you have to pass this code: implementation com.android.support support. Okay, I'll try to leave this somewhere you guys can access with no problem. And I'm sorry for the background noise, but okay, anyhow, just let us give a small retweak. Oh, sorry. Let me give a small retweak on the app, on the look of the login page actually. And we are going to do just basic stuff, like just add a styling there and just make it, oh sorry, text style, and we're going to give this colors dot. I'm going to give this a red with shade 900, which is this darker red. I like it. Elevation, I'll give it 5.1. And let us give a small background color to this flat button. Colors dot red dot shade 900. And what else? Let us change the color of the text so it doesn't come black. Oops. Style, then you're going to add a text style. Colors, okay, color, then colors dot white. Okay, a small refresh here, and we have something like this. Okay, we didn't have time to work very much on the UI, but anyhow, let us go to the moment of truth. Pressing here, you click on this wasn't supposed to be here, and we have an error here. Let us see what the problem is and how can we fix this. And I'll try to put this on a better place, but anyhow, platform exception, sign in failed. Okay, Google services out of date, requires but found. Okay, this problem, if you're running on a real device, is not going to happen, but since this is not a real device, we have it. How to fix this? We just need to update our Google services, and we have different ways of doing that. You can come here to simulator, and this is what needs to be updated. Let us press in here and go first of all here to your Google Play services. It's going to take a while loading, and here is where you have to update. So when you're running this on a simulator and you encounter this problem, you see that's the problem. We are using the version 11 and it requires 12. Just hit update. It was supposed to be updated. Okay, it may take a while. Just come here and hit update. And it's going to start downloading this So you better do this even before you run the app. I was supposed to do it, but whatever, man. uh, After this update, everything will work just fine. And as I said, the problem of writing a lot of code and then having to test at once is that most of the times you will end up having multiple errors. But that's not an issue. Let's give a center here instead of that container only, and here let's give a container, and for the alignment of this container we can give alignment dot center, and finally we're going to put here the color. I can put here dot 9. Okay, and let us run the app, and this time I'm positive that everything is going to work fine. But if you're running this on a real device, you're not going to have that problem, probably. But for the emulators, most of the time you have that. You just have to update your Google Play services, and it's all you have to do. Okay, it may take a while to have everything running, to have everything up and running. Okay, let's hit the login and see what happens. And here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. It is up and running. Let me just do a small. Oops. I may need to press outside the app. I am trying to do a small screenshot, so I will use this image as a thumbnail. I'm sorry for having to do that on the video, but you know, just a second, and it's done. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Now you will pick your Google account, and it's processing and processing, and we are in, ladies and gentlemen. Your Google sign in, it's working. We should be happy. It took us a lot of time to make this work, but thank God it's working now. Let us go and give a look on our Firebase and see how things are. Oops. If I reload the page on our Firebase, this is what's going to happen. I'm sorry, I have to click on authentication. Oof, man, I don't know what's happening today, but I just logged into the wrong Firebase account. The one I need is here, database, and as you can see, we have here users, and we have the details of the user, like the username, the ID, and everything. It's working perfectly. And if you go over here, authentication, oh, there's a small thing you need to do in order to make this work. You have to sign in method, you have to enable this, the Google, and the password. I should have told you this at the beginning of the video, but okay, I'll leave a note. But anyhow, thank you guys very much for watching. From the next video onwards, we will start working with the posts. Okay, this was a very long video, and I'm going to divide this into different parts to be able to upload it. Thank you for being part of the team, and see you on the next one. Bye.